Hello. There are different ways in speaking or saying, I grew up in a farm or in Tagalog. Lumaki ako sa farm. So as usual, I will be sharing with you the different ways of speaking, the dialects or the language in the different language that I know how to speak of. Here it goes. Saying, I grew up in the farm. Ilocano, din makelak jay bangkag. Tagalog, lumaki ako sa bukid. Kan kanaay, din makdakeak sintalon. Ibaloy, bin madegak sitalon. Pangasinan, bin malegak di madbukid.